Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set device type on your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i on the iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then click at the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And at the second line we have device type. Click at this line also, and in this new window you need to select headphone, so click on it. And we just set device type, we have this check mark, so if I go back, you can see that this device uses headphone device type, so we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!